Hi everyone, I just did a haulage video yesterday and I mentioned that I'm gonna get my ULTA order next week, but it arrived today. But I have a second shipping next week, which is only a tart blush and another shade of blush that I'm gonna show you, which I'm just gonna include it on a video when I do makeup. But for now, we're gonna do an unboxing video from ULTA, hoping there's nothing broken. Okay. One of the order that gonna be arriving next week is something like this. This is the blush mallow from by JCat. One order that's gonna be arriving next week is this in a tart blush like this. Hold on, let me show you. Hold on, let me look for it. It's gonna look like this. I hope this is the size. So in case you want to see the shade of those orders, follow me on IG. I'm gonna include the link below on the description box. So anyway, I ordered this blush mallow soft blusher in the shade. They even show you how to use it. I think the consistency of this is like the Shock one from Colourpop, and the shade name I cannot find it on the box name. It just say how to use it, but it doesn't show the shade. The shade is soft blusher. Oh, berries and cream. I don't know why it's not shown on the box. Yeah, it doesn't show on the box. So this is berries and cream. Looks like that. Oh, actually it's not that creamy as the Super Shock. It's more powdery and I like it. Very nice. Very pigmented. I'm very happy about this. And the next shade is, oh, it's over here. The next shade is Dolly Peachy. Looks like this. Oh, very pigmented. Oh my god. Little goes a long way. So I don't know if you could really use your finger because your cheek is gonna look like this. So I think I'm gonna prefer using a brush. We'll see, we'll test it out. I can do makeup later using this. And then another shade called Thank You Very Much. Thank you very much. And it looks like this. I'm gonna use this one. This one is nothing berry. It's more rusty. This is more berry color, but this one is more rusty and coppery. But it's good for day shade. See, it stained my finger. And then the last shade is cherry lime. Hold on. Cherry limeade. Oh, this is pretty. It's pinkish. You know, I'm into pink blush right now, so I really like it. I don't know the shade that's gonna come next week, so watch out. week. Once I do a video next week, I'm gonna show you those. And then those are for JCat. And this one is the Zor Love and Thunder from ULTA. I don't know if it's a blush or a gloss. I mean, a gloss or a lipstick. I think it's a lip gloss. Let me open that up. Oh, there's no shade. Let me see. This is lip gloss. It doesn't say the shade. Find Love. Oh yes, Find Love. Let's swatch it. It's like nothing. It's just gloss. Very, very, very thick gloss. And I also ordered this makeup setting spray in Cucumber by JCat. Wow, they sealed this one except this one. So they only sealed this part, but not this one. Let me see if it's used by the spray. So it's not used because there's nothing coming out. That spray is hard, see? It's like someone spit on my face. And the scent is strong. And then I ordered this Love and Thunder by Tor. It's a ULTA product. Let me take this out, the plastic wrap. And it's a highlighter, I think. 3 pieces glow highlighter. Because it's just highlighter, not blush. Did I order a blush by this? No, eyeshadow. I ordered eyeshadow. Where is it? Let me get it. These are the eyeshadow. I'll show you later. But this is the blush. I mean, highlighter. I hate those stickers on the side. It's hard to open. Oh, this is cute. They even have that thing dented there. That's very cute. And it looks like this. This one is rose gold, and champagne. It's like champagne pop. So we're gonna try that. I don't want to touch it because it's highlighter. I don't want to put glitters on my fingers. And then the eyeshadow, in case you haven't seen that college, I'm gonna show it to you. This is so cute. It's magnetic, and you can bring it separately if you want to put this and you're going somewhere, or you want to bring this one. This one are the shades. I think there's yeah, oh my god, those are just eyeshadows, no blush included. I don't know if they have if they come up with the blush. So, oh, and I have another shade here, over here. This one is it's called Tutti Fluffy. This one is very, very red. Oh my god, that's so pigmented. Oh my. That's really, those are really pigmented blush. So little goes a long way. I prefer using brush. Because if you're gonna use your finger and then rub it on your cheek, it's gonna look like this. So, and it's very messy because it's stained, see? Let me see if we can remove it with a tissue. No, you can't. See, it's gonna stain your cheeks. So be very careful with this. Use it very light-handed. Good luck. And then I ordered this L'Oreal Magic Perfecting base. I still have this one, and I love this one. This is hard to find now, and I'm so happy to have it. I still have one jar of this one. This one is a primer. It's gonna erase your pores, and you can use it alone without anything at all, and your skin will look perfect. I've tried it before for years now, and I'm so happy that I found it at ULTA. So I swear by this because this is really good. I even gave one to my friend back in Connecticut because I really speak highly of this one. So I'm happy about this. And another lip gloss. What is this? I got this from the inside the package. I don't know what this is. Anyway, and I have another gloss. It's called, let me see, Eternity. It's nude. Let me take it off. Oh, there's a color. Oh, this is a little brownish. This one is more pigmented in person, but you cannot wear it alone. It's better with lipstick on top. And last but not the least, I got this L'Oreal True Match Blush in Baby Blossom. Like I said, I'm into pink blush right now. So it's like I said on my last haulage yesterday or last night, that most of my orders today are just blushes, and I'm so happy nothing is broken. So I hope the Tarte one that I'm gonna be receiving and this one next week won't be broken because there's only 2 items. So good luck on that. And that's the shade. It's very, very sheer. Oh my god, it doesn't show. It's not showing up. See, nothing at all. It's like mostly highlighter. But I'm okay with that. Maybe I can put it over my strong blush. So anyway, that's all for today. And thank you again for watching. I will be doing makeup later, because I wasn't able to do one yesterday. Did I do a makeup yesterday? No. So yeah, I will be doing makeup later. I'm gonna test out some of this product, and I'll see you again later. Bye.